Hey, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tech tips and tricks. Today, we have something exciting for all the night owls out there. We'll show you how to enable the Turn Off the Lights options page in dark mode. So, grab your popcorn, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Before we dive in, make sure you're using the latest version of your favorite browser. We'll be demonstrating this on Google Chrome, but don't worry, the steps are quite similar on other popular browsers too. To enable the Turn Off the Lights options page in dark mode, click on the gray lamp button and select the menu item, Options. The Turn Off the Lights options page will open in a new tab. Then, click on the three dots in the top right corner to choose the device appearance, either dark mode or light mode. Now, simply click on the Dark Mode ON option. This will instantly turn the options page interface to a sleek dark theme, perfect for late-night browsing. Voila! You've unlocked the Turn Off the Lights options page in dark mode. And there you have it, folks. That's how you enable the Turn Off the Lights options page in dark mode. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more tech goodness. Thanks for watching, and until next time.